This is Caloosahatchee Creek Preserve. This is the episode called Trail Part 1, not 2-1. The sleeping trail is gonna be like almost an hour. I want to live Oak Trail first. Okay?
Yeah, that's true, man. The power lines. You hear that? You know what that is?
The electric. Do you hear that?
Electricity here.
Isn't there?
That like blows my mind.
Do you hear something? Isn't there?
Yeah. It could be a lot of things, but. Blows my mind. Especially having been electrocuted. I feel like how it sounds.
Let's go to live Oak Trail first.
Yeah.
Because this is a boardwalk.
I like this boardwalk. You ever seen anything
Can you put your desk book?
That's cool. Interesting.
Yeah. Let's go.
You know what? I've got Conservation 2020. I need to put some stuff away. It's like uncomfortable. We don't need this map, do we?
We do. It's a trail map.
Okay, so we're leaving the map out?
Do you mind? There's a 40-minute trail. I'll do this one first. Good. Spooky. Shoot. Let's go.
Beautiful, Elijah.
What's that? Right in there somewhere. Where are the lizards? What?
A butterfly?
Oh, what's a butterfly here?
It's like a butterfly kind of place. It's, you know, it's nice. It's not really a forest. It's kind of like a mix. Prairie
That's a super trail. I'm going to my boat trip.
Yeah, whichever way you like.
It goes kind of wet. This is a creek.
Yeah, well, I'm enjoying it. You go wherever you want to go.
I'm enjoying it too.
Well, good.
Wow, super long.
I'm glad we are not the kind of people that get bored.
This is a creek. No wonder they call it Caloosahatchee Creek Preserve. No creeks here.
If you're bored, then you're boring.
No, lost above to get home. So want coffee? What's that?
I don't know. Might have been the wind.
I think it's an animal.
It's substantial, whatever it was.
Oh, look at that. I know.
It's a fairly large animal.
What's it doing?
I'm not gonna say. I don't really need to say any words. It's obvious what it is, but it looks like a herbivore. Is all I was gonna comment on. A pretty big herbivore that's hopping up on a boardwalk. Something that's not gonna be a deer. I don't think a deer. I guess a deer might be on the boardwalk.
God.
It's big.
No, omnivores.
They're omnivores? What do they eat, like mice and stuff?
Big garbage, just I don't know. Can you help me find some birds? Where?
I don't know if I saw something.
No, I did last night.
I think I keep seeing a flash of something, like in that direction I pointed, but I can't spot anything. It's so windy.
I was trying to find some birds.
Yeah. That's how birds are. Birds kind of either want to be seen or don't want to be seen. And when they don't want to be seen,
I would just like to be seen.
or maybe it's just sometimes they don't care if they're seen,
Hmm.
but sometimes they seem to want to not be seen. It's so pretty. I love it here, bud.
You do. Our cousin has a good place.
Yeah. Nice. So these pines are okay? What kind of pines are these?
Those
Yeah, are they native?
slash pines are native. The Australian pines are not native.
Okay, I want one of those to be pointed out to me one day. Slash pine. I like slash pines. They're a pretty tree. They date back to like the coniferous period.
Carnivorous. I'm not sure. It's carnivores. No, that's fine.
The trees are conifers, but I think it's called the coniferous period.
It's carnivorous period. I thought it was a tiny bird. That's all. I need a wild one. I'll go see anything.
I don't know, man. You could ask me that on any day and I couldn't answer you. I don't know. That's not how it is, man. It's not like you're entitled to, just enjoy it. If something comes out, and, enjoy that. Just take life as it is. Otherwise, you're panicking.
Well, that's a loud noise on one of those side critters. Don't move.
You see it? Oh, good spotting.
Quick.
A noisy little guy.
And it's an annoying noise. Yeah, at least I saw something. That's good.
Yeah. I mean, really, there's something all around us. I mean, there's just because you don't spot an animal. Obviously, life.
Big action.
Pig action. I wonder
What
if the
happened
pigs.
here?
I don't know. It looks like they maybe take it out, or maybe it's permanently removed. 'Cause look, for cars to get there. I'm sure the boardwalk doesn't take to having 1,000-pound things rolling over it. It's a really interesting boardwalk, though. I like it a lot. Imagine it gets flooded pretty easily.
I believe that's the boundary right there, if I'm right.
Yeah, seems right. Be an odd place for a fence if it wasn't.
What?
I'm gonna go investigate if you don't mind.
I do mind.
You do mind?
Yeah? You guys show me? And that's the end of the trail. Show me. This is the end of the Live Oak Trail. There's a lot of butterflies today. Lots of wild today, on that.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna do Sweet Bay Trail, and that is sponsored by Sweet Bay. And also, it's the yellow trail that connects to the green trail.
Let me check them out. Yeah, it's the yellow trail. We need to go on the yellow trail.
Hell yeah, let's do it. I like this.
Is that the Live Oak Trail?
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, just from looking at the map, that must be the case. Here, let's get over here.
Let's go on the Sweet Bay Trail. Let's go on the Prairie Pines Preserve. Let's go back on Sweet Bay Trail back to here. They
Spanish
can go on the
moss
west
is
side.
invasive, but I think it's beautiful.
Is it invasive?
I say keep it.
Is it invasive?
Yeah, I think it's from Spain even. Hence Spanish moss.
I don't think they're invasive.
Ah, got you. I finally know something.
I think it's from Africa.
Africa. Spanish moss from Africa, okay. Euro-African Spanish moss.
Africa. We're going on the Sweet Bay Trail.
Got it. Sweet Bay Trail. I wonder if they're gonna rename it when it's Sweet Bay.
Well, let's go with definitely to the Boardwalk Pond Trail. The Boardwalk Pond Sweet Bay Trail this way.
Look, but it connects either way. It's all the same big trail.
I know, that's what we got that.
There's not like two separate trails.
We're gonna go we're going to Sweet Bay Trail in this
Are we gonna
trail.
do the mysterious green trail?
Yep.
What's that trail called?
Feather Bush Trail.
Treasure Dish Trail.
Feather Bush.
Oh, I like my name better. Feather Bush. Okay, I take that back. I like Feather Bush. It's like a Lord of the Rings name or something.
We're going to that way this way here.
I am Longfield Featherbush. Paranoia, paranoia, everybody get me.
Look at that.
That is beautiful.
Shoot, you Dwayne.
Wow. Man.
That has a coniferous.
And then it like dries up as soup or something. It's so cool. It's like fractals. I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
There's a bunch of